Just use those stairs at the front, it's fine. This is a song we're going to do and sort of trying to promote a bit of rain in the area.
Bye.